Most B2B founders and agency owners think cold email is dead. They send 100 generic pitches, get flagged for spam, and give up. Today, I'm breaking down the step-by-step engine we use to book 15 qualified sales meetings. No fluff, no theoretical BS. Just a repeatable framework you can copy and launch today. Step 1. The infrastructure. Never send cold emails from your primary domain. If you get flagged for spam, you'll ruin your company's email health. Instead, buy 2 lookalike domains, set up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. Let them warm up for 2 weeks. Step 2. Data quality. Spray and pray is a waste of time. You don't need 10,000 random contacts. You need 200 highly qualified leads. Use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to target specific buying triggers, like recent funding rounds or active hiring needs. Step 3. The copy. The best cold emails follow a strict 4-sentence framework that takes under 45 seconds to read on a phone. Sentence 1 is context. Make it instantly clear you actually looked at their profile. No fake compliments. Sentence 2 is the friction point. Clearly state a highly specific problem they are facing right now. Sentence 3 is social proof. Drop one undeniable, metric-driven case study to build instant trust. Sentence 4 is a low-friction call to action. Keep the ask incredibly small and easy to say yes to. Step 4. Follow-ups. Over 70% of our bookings happen on replies to the second or third email. Space messages by 3 days. Share a useful industry insight in email 2 and a free resource in email 3. Target just 500 high-fit leads a month. With a modest 3% booking rate, you hit exactly 15 qualified meetings. Drop a comment below if you want our exact copy templates. Hit subscribe for more growth breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.